Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Maybelline Angel Mascara, the Maybelline Volume Express Falsies Push-Up Angel Washable Mascara in Blackest Black. If you're looking for that perfect winged lash effect combined with impressive volume and lift, this mascara promises to deliver exactly that. This mascara features a unique push-up wing brush designed specifically to sweep your lashes upward and outward for a dramatic, flared look. The wand is cleverly engineered with short bristles to add volume and lift, while the longer bristles stretch your lashes to create that coveted wing effect. Applying this mascara is a breeze. Start by sweeping the outer lashes from the roots with the longer bristles, then build up by sweeping inner lashes upward and outward. Repeat the process until you achieve your desired lift, volume, and winged look. The result? Lashes that look full, flared, and beautifully lengthened from root to tip. One of the standout features of this product is its Cara fiber formula. It's designed to build up to 8 times more volume, mimicking the appearance of false eyelashes without the hassle. The formula glides on smoothly, enhancing length and curl, and it holds the lifted wing look all day without flaking or smudging. Plus, it's ophthalmologist tested and suitable for contact lens wearers, which is great for those with sensitive eyes. Another benefit is that this mascara is washable. Unlike waterproof formulas that can be tough to remove, this one cleans off easily with just soap and water, making your nighttime routine quicker and gentler on your lashes. For removal, you can use a gentle eye makeup remover to ensure all traces come off without irritation. The packaging is sleek and compact, weighing just over an ounce, making it perfect for your makeup bag or travel kit. Manufactured by Maybelline New York in the USA, this mascara holds a strong position in the beauty market as a reliable go-to for a long-lasting winged lash effect. To elevate your eye makeup look even further, Maybelline recommends pairing this mascara with complementary products, like their Color Tattoo Concentrated Crayon, Master Precise Curvy Eyeliner, and Master Prime Long-Lasting Eyeshadow Base. Together, these can help you achieve that edgy, flirty look perfect for any occasion, whether it's a night out or just a bold everyday style. In summary, the Maybelline Volume Express Falsies Push-Up Angel Washable Mascara stands out for its innovative brush design, volumizing Cara fiber formula, and easy washability. It offers a beautiful, winged lash effect with plenty of lift and length, all while being gentle on the eyes and simple to remove. If you want fuller, flared lashes with a dramatic push-up effect, this mascara is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you next time.